Alright guys, today is February 19th. We're here at the Palmer, Alaska, the State Fairground. This is day 2 of the gun show, Sunday. We weren't able to make it yesterday, but I'm here with my buddy Candy. We're gonna show you guys this gun show. This is one of the biggest gun shows out in the valley. This one and the one last month that they did at the Wasilla High School. So this one here is at the Palmer Fairgrounds. It's at the Raven Hall, or one of those buildings. Free parking, admission is $7. And I think kids and military, they have discount, but it's about 10:30 right now. Doors open 30 minutes ago. Should be a good show. Usually on the second day it's a bit slower, but I think they should still have a lot of stuff for us to see. Let's go check it out. It's that green building right there. Yeah, it's pretty packed. All this parking lot right here. Yep, it's pretty packed out there. Here's the parking lot. Lots of vehicles. 4, 5, 6 rows. Mostly these folks over here are vendors. And it's at the Raven Hall, which is this green building here. Gun show 2023, guys. Kennedy's first time out here. What you gonna buy, Kennedy?
I don't know yet.
AKs, automatic. We'll try to show you guys as much as possible. And again, this is one of my favorite shows because, like I say, it's big, has lots of variety, lots of vendors. This one and the one in Wasilla is way bigger compared to Alaska. Hey, check out that pickup right there, that red one. Nice, single cab. Okay, this is a gun show. Let's go. Vaya, pane. Food truck. $7.
Any firearms? So you can go to the 2 border sites.
Okay, the food truck right there. This is it right here, guys. Not busy today.
I appreciate you don't take pictures.
Okay, no problem. Not as many people out here today. It's the second day out here. Oscar. Marlin, this is a good price right here. Marlin, $195.
One size fits all.
One size fits all.
Right.
Pretty dead out here today. Nice. More boat action. All the old stuff right here.
Attention in the gun show, folks. We got some extra breakfast available. So if you want some breakfast, it's available here in the kitchen. $10 donation. There's biscuits and gravy, scrambled eggs, hash browns, lots of bacon, yogurt, and everything else flipped over. $10 donation breakfast.
How you doing? This is one of the vendors that's always here at the gun show. They have lots of good stuff. Polar Army, they're out here again. Check them out, guys. Owner right here. Always has lots of good gun. He just told us that one of our viewers from New York called him and bought one over the phone last show. You want to check pay to them? It's like going to a car show, you know? Old school. Winchester. Very nice school, old school selection. How's the value of these Winchester? Are they going up in price nowadays?
They always do, the originals.
The original ones?
Just
Nice.
because there's limited supply. There is what there is, and as people buy them and hold on to them, the supply gets more and more limited. So yeah, they'll always.
So are you a vendor, or are these just your personal collection?
So I put prices on things. Some things I won't sell, like this one here. But
Correct. Yep. Nice.
I have no problem taking everything home. because,
Nice.
you know,
Okay. That's a good way to put it. Yeah.
I have more at home of these single shots. There, you'll know who it is. I put sharps on there.
So Larry, right there, Larry Sharps, he owns this table right here, and this is his collection. Larry, you want to just give us a little quick one-on-one? How long you been doing this?
So I've been at it about 27 years. Single shots. This is a portion of the ones I have. And on the far, be right over there, are all original Sharps rifles. These are reproduction rifles, Sharps. And then these are a mixture of Winchester, original 1885s, Remington rolling blocks, and then this one single reproduction Sharps on the top.
Nice. So do you specialize in just Sharps in general, or that's what your specialty is?
Black powder cartridge rifles.
Black powder cartridge, all right.
Yep.
And are you, when's the next gun show you'll be attending?
March 4th and 5th.
March 4th,
Same
5th?
place.
Same place here?
Yep.
You're doing here? Okay, awesome. Awesome, thank you, Larry.
Thank you.
So Larry has a great table right here. All original, 1870-ish. Yep, so you guys can check out his information right here. Some Winchester, some Tika 308, 750, Ruger 358. I think these are all new stuff right here. Looks pretty new. So like I said, you guys love all the old school classic guns. Lots of them out here. I think we saw some of these at the other show, Wasilla. I think the Wings of Freedom was at the Wasilla show. Yeah, some nice collection here.
Yeah, maybe I can go 950 and that's it.
Is it just individual piece?
No. I bought it new.
What's going on with the whole brace issue?
So the deal with the brace is they want to make it so that it's a short barrel rifle.
Oh, SBR registers.
Yeah. So what they're doing up until May, so if you buy this gun,
Yep.
up until May 31st, you can get an SBR tax stamp with it
Yep.
without paying the money.
Gotcha.
So it's a free registration.
Yep.
No registry.
Yeah, but I mean, so here's the deal. I mean, like keeping it like this is legal. I mean, because this is no longer a pistol.
Correct.
If you would put a rifle on top,
Upper, yep.
then it's legal.
Yep.
16 inches. But since this is the 10-inch,
Yep.
but you know, there's a lot. From what I understand, just about everyone's just putting them in the closet, not worrying about.
But is it official now that you have to get it SBR? So it's official now. Okay, so
That's why this is apart right now.
yeah, it's a good thing we sold ours a long time ago. Yeah, it's well not a good thing, but this right here looks like the Hmong knife. Huh? Old school stuff. All right, guys. So the show's, like I said, it's only 1 hour in, and it's still pretty quiet. It was really busy yesterday, according to some of the vendors. Polar Army said the door was packed, and it was busy till like 2 p.m. Fentanyl. These are a nice selection here. Old school Winchester. What do you need? You
I want one of everything.
1911s. No 1911 yet.
1911 Coke.
Again, guys, we're not gonna show you guys all the details, all the prices, but you guys get the general idea. Some really nice old school stuff. S&W. Step over here, see what they have. Tika. And one carbine, 30 cal. They want 2600. See, it's nice when the vendor, they have it all nice and listed like that. It's easy to read and stuff. Winchester 70s, 30-06, pre-64. They want 1250 for that. Sacco 300 mag. That's nice right there. What do they want for that? 1150. Let me know if you guys think these prices are good too, man. Weatherby 340 mag. Winchester 16 gauge. These are all the shotguns right here. All the pump shotguns right here. Old school, nice stuff. I do need a new shotgun. 300 for this right here. JC Higgins, 12 gauge. Christian Arms 33 LaPoule 1450.
Chinese ones are pretty good version. I like this case over here.
Hornady lock and low press, $1,000. Actually, only feel free to handle. Busy day today?
What can I do for you?
Oh, we're just looking today. Yeah. See what everyone has.
Are you doing a documentary or what?
Just video, showing people. Yeah, a lot of people have been enjoying my gun videos, so a lot of people downstate likes to watch it, and then they like seeing what Alaska has. You know, Alaska usually has some pretty old stuff they like compared to all the new stuff downstate. So yeah.
Well, it's a lot different than a lot of
Yeah,
them
yeah,
in the
yeah.
lesser folk days.
Correct. Yeah. These are all your personal collection right here.
Yeah.
Nice, very nice. Brownie Gray 6, 12 gauge, 20 gauge. Classic 3900. What's over here? There's some more barrels down there. We're not even gonna look at ammo today, guys. Usually the ammo is a bit more, regardless. It's a McKinley Mountain Muzzleloader Rifle Club. Where's all the pocket knives? I actually want to get a pocket knife. Maybe they have a lot of knife section here. Air rifle, $90. There's a nice selection. This looks like a similar selection I've seen before. Ruger 1022, 600. Freedom's Armory, they're always out here. They have new stuff. We're not gonna go through all the price, but Glocks, 600, 500. Some 6-AUGs, everything out here. This vendor has some nice stuff. This vendor always has some good stuff out here. Yeah.
There you go.
That's a nice one right here. 45 ACP, 1233. So Freedom Armory, they're always out here. I think they're located in Palmer, but they have a really nice selection. Always coming out here with some bangers, some ARs. Ruger 22LR, retail 380, 300 sale price. That's a nice one. Springfield 6.5 PRC 2200 carbon. That's a nice one right there. That's for long range shooting. HK 1100 9mm. Do you guys have a contact information I can show to some of my viewers? You guys are based in Palmer, right? Wasilla. Wasilla? Sweet. So that's Freedom Armory right there, Wasilla. Some Springfield over here. XT9, 560. Put some nice stuff. These are some Ruger Marlin, the 1894 1000. Nice lever action. These are Marlin, yep, $1,000. These are super nice, man. Pretty. 4570. Oh, right here. 1895. 1440. Well, that's sold already. And that's a 44 mag right there. 1400. We got some brass, typical brass. We're not gonna show you guys all the brass because we all know the ammo shortage is already over. Ammo price is just crazy high. Remington 700, 223, Tactical 725. Pretty short barrel. Oh, it's a nice collection here. 870 Magnum. Some really nice stuff. Some classic here. Alaska Shooting Specialties.
Go ahead, take it.
Hey, sweet, thank you.
That was kind of a fun game back in that era.
Where are you guys based in? Where are you guys based? Anchorage?
Right behind Grill Fireworks.
Oh, right behind, yeah. Oh, I seen you guys' table for. Yeah, you guys have the airsoft.
Yeah.
Not airsoft.
Not airsoft.
Not airsoft.
We sling lead.
Sling lead.
Yeah.
Yeah. The crazy ones.
Yeah.
Airsoft on steroids. Nice. Yeah, so let me show you guys some of their crazy stuff here. This is these are the ones that use CO2. It's like crazy airsoft. Yeah, this stuff is this stuff is nice, man. So this stuff here is like it runs off CO2, but it shoots like crazy. That's what it's shooting on right there. That's deadly, guys. And they actually use this for hunting too. It's not for plinking around. Look at that. See that? It's crazy.
Well, I'm David. I am the owner of Alaska Shooting Specialties, Alaska Air Guns. I am the only air gun supplier in the state of Alaska. We actually got the laws passed up here in Alaska to shoot some of the larger game like caribou and black-tailed deer.
Oh, okay.
We're hoping for this year to get dangerous game on the agenda. They shoot these guns. Some of these guns out to 1,000 yards. They have an amazing velocity, and the bullets are just incredible.
Now, are these it right here?
Yeah, like this one right here.
What caliber is that?
That's 50 right there.
So that's a 50 mil. Okay.
Yeah.
At what feet per second are they shooting at? Roughly?
Oh well, you can get anywhere from 600 to almost 1,100 plus feet per second. I have a full out.
Okay, nice. So how big can that take down? Can that get like a caribou, moose?
Can take down a moose. Can take down a water buffalo.
Shoot, that's
can
crazy.
take down just about any animal that's on the face of the planet.
Nice.
They shot a there's a video out there with the Seneca, which is this gun here, on YouTube, with this gun actually taking down a Cape buffalo in Africa.
Okay. Nice.
So it actually was able to take down the Cape buffalo. I entered to win the. That's fully automatic, by the way. So that's fully automatic and suppressed, just like this one up here.
What's the legality? Is that legal, or you have to get like?
They're completely
legal.
They don't fall under any NFA rules.
Okay, gotcha.
So, yeah, you can also put silencers on them. All these Donnie FL silencers.
And these are run by CO2, correct?
They're run by air.
Just regular
compressed air.
Compressed air.
4,500 psi compressed air.
So what's the average? Let's say this tank right here. How many shots can you get through here before it starts?
We figured that we got 6 magazines, and every magazine out of it holds 18 rounds.
Okay.
So
figure that out. What is that? 6 times?
Uh-huh.
I'm not good at math.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So 6 times 18.
A couple hundred, yeah.
Yep. Quite a few rounds.
Sweet. Nice. Yeah, these are really nice.
But come out and visit us. We're right behind Guerrilla Fireworks on Parks Highway, going up towards Denali.
And you guys have your own little range there too, correct?
It's not a range.
Not
it's
range.
just it's just a place where that people can actually have an opportunity to try and shoot the guns
Sweet.
and stuff like that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Anytime. Yeah, thank you.
G-Force shotgun. This is what you want for home defense. This is the ultimate home defense right here. I find it crazy. I would assume it's hard to sell a gun that's already like mocked up already with all the crazy accessories. And I think sometimes people want to buy it bare bone. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. 2023 Kodiak Bison rifle. If you guys are watching this, you guys can apply for it too. If you win it, you can take it, or you can take like a cash prize. Nice. Now these are the old stuff you guys like right here. All these. 6,500 for this one. Everything else is like 2,000 to 3,000. Hello. Love it, mags. Sweet. Okay, we have to go to that one. We gotta go check out their booth one day out there in the valley. This is the AMGA Machine Gun Club here in Alaska, man. They have all the good stuff here, guys. All the goodies right here, all machine. There's another vendor that I've seen out here many a times. He has some nice stuff. He's a dealer along with buy, sells, and I think he's also a gunsmith. So his car's right here. That's his car. Heriton Sports in Anchorage. He's busy on the phone doing a contract, so. But that's a little bit what he has here. A little bit of old stuff here and there. Do a quick run down this table. You guys can pause it to read the tabs here. Custom 300 Win Mag, 975. That's a really nice one. Nice stock. Okay, guys, so that is the Palmer State Fairground, hanging there for about 1 hour. Saw a lot of everything. Some things did change though. We met a couple of vendors that didn't want to be filmed. One of the vendor was a vendor that had ammo. He didn't want his stuff filmed, and then another vendor didn't want his stuff filmed because he said that the police stations were getting calls from anti-gunners saying that their guns were stolen, and there's the one that's in the video. So it's just a bunch of bogus stuff. So totally respect that, but we had a lot of good time. Spoke with some vendors and saw a lot of cool stuff as always. So let me know what you guys like and what you guys saw that you guys like, and we'll see you guys on the next gun video. I think the next one's gonna be in March or sometime along that week. So peace out, see you guys next time.